first one, what sectors do you see the most value accruing to in AI? And what is going to be end up being the what is the morsel of AI going to enable? Like, let's say in the next 10 years or so. We probably can't predict beyond that. It might not even be called AI beyond that. So, Kevin, we can start with you.
Sure, happy to. So I think this is a really interesting question because as a vertical AI investor, we think about this a lot in terms of which sectors we think will actually have the most impact with the advent of, say, generative AI or utilizing big data, other forms of machine learning. And I think the way that we try to think about it is, where is there a lot of labor and where is there a lot of high-cost labor? And where can we automate? Where can you actually have more of a hybrid approach? Because we think those are some of the areas where you'll have the greatest dollar impact in the near term. So I think one of the areas that I spent a lot of time at SoftBank before I left was the legal AI space, where you have obviously lots of lawyers that are spending lots of time combing through legal, thousands if not millions of legal documents with a lot of textual data. And so that's probably one of the first areas we saw a lot of innovation and new companies coming out, like Harvey AI, which is now a billion-dollar business, at least in valuation. And I think that's one of the areas that we saw a confluence of high-cost labor, high amount of labor, and highly skilled labor, right? Highly educated workforces. And so as we think about where we want to invest across different verticals, I think it follows a similar pattern of some of these high-knowledge sectors, like, say, tax, or say healthcare, say medicine or medical spaces. Those are some of the areas that we've been spending a lot of time in figuring out where the next kind of billion-dollar company is going to be built across these specific verticals that have some of these characteristics.